Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a makeup haul about from Ulta, Sephora, and also a surprise box that I get every season of the year. So if you want to see what I bought and what I got, then keep on watching. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with Sephora. By the way, if you want to see this makeup look, I should be uploading it pretty soon. I don't know if it's if the makeup look I'm wearing is gonna come in first or the makeup haul, but just keep on the look for that. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the this Urban Decay holiday kit or whatever. So it comes with the all-nighter, a mascara that I think is pretty good, and then a black eyeliner, and then the regular eye primer. Now this black eyeliner is the best. It's so creamy, so black, and it does stay on your waterline forever. So I got this. Oh, and this was $39, which I think it was like a pretty good deal. Okay, backwards. I got the Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour palette. I did use this also on my face for this makeup look. I did use this shade in the middle to kind of like give me to bronze up my face, as you can see right there. Next thing is I bought this Huda Beauty powder, loose powder. I also used it to set my under eyes, to bake a little, and also set the rest of my face. Like I said in the video, I love this powder. It's so good. It's so finely milled. When you put it on, it just feels so velvety, so smooth. It doesn't emphasize any texture on my skin like most of the powders do, and it doesn't make me look dry or anything like that. I love this powder so much. I really recommend you guys picking this up. It's really good for, I feel like, for any type of skin really. My skin is kind of dry, and I feel like it doesn't emphasize it. It looks beautiful. So another thing that I'm loving is the Born This Way concealer. I like this concealer a lot. This is on the shade Light Beige. I like it a lot. It's not very full coverage though. Like if you like a full coverage concealer, this is not it, but it is very buildable. But to me personally, I like it to be like that. I don't like a really heavy under eye concealer, because I do have a lot of texture and a lot of smile lines that sometimes if I put a really heavy concealer, it does look really like cakey and really heavy. Alright, so that's it for Sephora. So now we're gonna jump into the Ulta box. I literally just went and picked this box up today. I think I received it like 2 days ago, but I wasn't here, so I haven't opened it. So I honestly don't remember what I purchased from Ulta, because that was like a few weeks ago. So let's open it here in camera and see what we're gonna open it right now and see what's in this box. I'm throwing stuff away. Alright, so I got a sample for Coach. Alright, so yeah, I did order me the Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray, which with this little one. Now I have 3, but this one is perfect. It's really small, so I can take this for like traveling and stuff like that. But these were they were in special. They were $16 each, so I was like, $16, yes please, I take 2. So I ordered me. I love it. It's really cute. So I have 2 of these. Oh, and then I got a itch cream for all skin types. I do remember this now that I'm looking at it. I wasn't sure what I got, but this is a like a moisturizer, like a face moisturizer. So I really love face products, so I got this, and this was also how much was this? This was, I didn't say, I don't remember how much it was, but it was the Bye Bye It foundation from Ulta. This is on the shade 10, which I mean, I like this foundation for like an everyday foundation. It doesn't look cakey. It doesn't emphasize any pores, any lines, and anything like that. It does look beautiful, but I don't like this foundation. I know everybody raves about this, everybody loves this foundation, but honestly, like on me, this foundation breaks me up every time I wear it, and it smells like sunscreen, like straight up sunscreen smell. I hate the way sunscreen smells. Like I can't deal with it, and this smells like sunscreen. Like it feels like I'm putting sunscreen in my face, and I hate it. And every time I will wear this, like that same day or the next day, my face will be just so full of like little bumps, and just break me up so bad. And I was like, what is going on? Like I try to like figure it out, like what was it, until I figured out that it was this foundation that was breaking me up so much. And then the last thing I got from Ulta was this brow pencil. This was only like $5, I think, so it was amazing. I didn't see if it was good or not, but it's really tiny. Like look at this, so tiny. It has a spoolie in the end, and this is on the shade dark brown. So that is what I got from Ulta. Now for the, it's called Fabfitfun. So this is a like an it's kind of like that Ipsy bag. Well, these are full-size products. You get 9 full-size products. It is something that you signed up on online, and it's only, I think it's like $39.99 or $49.99. I can't believe the box. It's a pretty big box, and you get 9 full size products, and I love it. I love what I got last season, and it's only 3 or 4 seasons. Is it 3 or 4 seasons in a year? I don't know, I'm really bad with my seasons, but it's every season you get a new box. So last the spring, yeah, the spring box that I got, I loved it. I got the Tarte contour kit or whatever, and I also got my favorite moisturizer ever that I love. And I opened this box. I don't even know what I'm gonna get, because I usually you can see and before they send you your box what they're gonna put in, and you kind of have to, you can pick what you want in the box. But I don't know if I was late picking it or whatever, but I was pretty much every day on the website to try to see, to pick the products that I wanted, and every time I wanted to pick them, it says that it was closed, or it wasn't open, that it wasn't yet the time. But when it was the time, it still kept saying me that it wasn't the time. So I honestly don't even know what is in here. So this is a surprise, okay? So when you open it up, this is what it looks like right here. So you always, they always send you the little magazine. This is, oh my god, this fell off of the box. But they always wrap it so pretty. Like they always put this, so, and it has a little thing of fall, and then the box is all fall right here. So yeah, it says fall 2018 right there. So pretty, the inside. So this is what it looks like. They make it, this was in there. So they, I just dropped it. Wait, so, alright, so first things, they send this bar, Rica cashew butter salted caramel nut. Well, I love cashews, so it's like a protein bar. So that is the first time I got that. And then so ooh, glamglow masks. Ooh, this is amazing. Bubble sheet oxygen deep cleaning mask. Oh my god, I'm so excited for these. I've never tried a glamglow mask product, but I've always wanted to try it because, you know, they say it's really good for your skin. But yeah, this is the glamglow. I'm really excited to use these. And then I got a metallic lipstick. What brand is this? I don't even know what brand this is, but this is what it looks like. And let's open it. It looks like a really pretty color. Yes, you put this and then the metallic to make it more metallic. That color looks really pretty, but super excited about that. Alright, so next you get this Blue in Capri shower gel. Okay, Roma. I don't know, I haven't heard this brand before. I don't know if you guys have, but I love when I get next. I got the Grow something, I can't say it. So that is what that looks like. So it's a skin agent and toxin. Pretty interesting. Alright, so next, what is this? I have no idea what this is. Is it a blanket or what? I'm telling you, you get just all kinds of things in, you get all kinds of things in the box, so I have no idea what this is. Oh, these are like towels. 2 towels. That's always convenient. Alright, what is this? For Pros by Pro Crown. So one is, I guess this is the same as this. Oh no, this is a different brand. Okay, what is? Ooh, this is a bag. What? No way! Brushes. This is amazing, you guys. I love makeup brushes, and look at this. This came in a really cute baggie. I thought it was gonna be like a wallet or something to put your things, but this is amazing. You get makeup brushes. Oh my god. Let's see. Ooh, these are so soft. Wow. I'm really excited about this. Alright, so this is what that is, the makeup brushes. And then I got an umbrella. This is amazing. Wow, so an umbrella right here. That's good, an umbrella in Austin, because you never know when it's gonna rain, especially because it's been raining a lot here in Austin. This whole week we're gonna have rain, so this is freaking amazing. I got an umbrella. Alright, so then I got this box in here that is Alfred ceramic and stainless steel teapot. What? Oh my god. Let's open this. Oh. Look at how cute this is, you guys. Oh my god. This is freaking amazing. I love it so much. This is so beautiful. Look at the colors. It matches with my background. So pretty. Oh my god. That is amazing. And then, speaking of, I was just speaking on my other video that I love my my beauty blender sponge, but someone like bit into it, half of my thing, and it's so beat up. So I got a new beauty blender. This is amazing, and that's it, you guys. That's all the things I got in the box. So that's amazing. I am so excited about this box. It's amazing. It's a good thing that I didn't know what it was in there. It's just a pretty big surprise. I am really happy for what I got. I can't wait to use all of those. So like I said, this is what it's called. It's amazing. If you guys don't know what it is, I am gonna leave all the information down below, and also like a link that you can go to, and if you want to sign up, I think you can still get this box. If you signed up within like this month or something, you will get that box and maybe the same products that I got. But definitely check it out when you go in. They'll kind of ask you some questions, what you like and your personal preference, so they can send you things that they kind of like, that they think that you're gonna like. So it's pretty amazing. I love it. Thank you Fabfitfun for sending me this box, and all of that is in there. I love everything in here. Can't wait to use it. And if you guys want to sign up and get the same box that I did, go ahead and sign up. I'm gonna leave the link below, like I said. That will take you straight to the website. So that is all for this video, for the haul. If you guys enjoy these kinds of videos, give me a thumbs up. Leave me any comments down below on what you want to see next. Give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.